all, these are the materials I used for this project. For more details, please check out the description box down below. So first we are going to make a slip knot. After the slip knot, chain 5. Now we are going to slip stitch into the first chain to create a circle. Next we are going to chain 8. Insert the hook into the circle and slip stitch. Now we are going to repeat the same process 4 more times. In the last round, we are going to chain 4. After that, make treble crochet. I'm going to put a stitch marker into the stitch here to mark a point. In round 2, we are going to chain 8. Then insert the hook into the next chain space and slip stitch. Next, we are going to repeat the same process 4 more times. In the last round, chain 4. After that, remove the stitch marker and make 1 treble crochet. In round 3, chain 8. Insert the hook into the next chain space and slip stitch. After that, we are going to repeat the same process 4 more times. In the last round, chain 4, then make treble crochet. Next, we are going to repeat the same process into the next rounds. For this project, I made 8 rounds total. Moving on to the next step, we are going to chain 50. Now we are going to slip stitch in here. Now chain 1. Then we are going to slip stitch in the next 51 chains. After done, cut and secure the yarn end. This is what the strap holder looks like after you're done. For the bows, we are going to make a slip knot and after that chain 40. Now we are finally done, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day ahead, and I will see you guys again in my next video. Bye.